Which electric heater is actually good for your garage? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that can truly keep your garage warm this winter.
Product number 1, Lasco 1500 watt ceramic tower heater. First up is the Lasco 1500 watt ceramic tower space heater. I was drawn to its sleek design and powerful features, all for about $97.37. If you want quick and effective warmth for your garage, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1500 watt ceramic heating element means it can quickly heat up small to medium spaces, like your garage, in no time. With 2 heat settings and an adjustable thermostat, you can customize your comfort. Plus, the widespread oscillation ensures the warmth circulates evenly, rather than just blasting you in one spot. It's got over 40,000 units sold this month, which shows it's a popular choice for a reason. Now, some folks have complained that it can be a bit noisy when running on high heat. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a garage while working on projects, a little noise might not be a deal breaker. It's still a solid option for heating up your workspace efficiently. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and portable heater. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can heat larger areas quickly, or if you can't handle a bit of noise. All right, if the Lasco's noise level bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for quiet heating. Product number 2, Drio space heater.
Next, we have the Drio space heater. Priced at around $94.89, it's caught my attention with its unique gold finish and all the right features. If you want a quiet yet powerful heater, this could be the one for you. Now, what's really impressive here is its ETL certified safety features, including tip-over protection and overheat protection. With its powerful 1500 watt PTC ceramic heating, it can warm up to 270 square feet in mere seconds. It even includes a 70-degree oscillation feature that helps spread heat evenly throughout the room. This is especially important in a garage where you want consistent warmth in every corner. Plus, it's designed to operate at a whisper-quiet 34 decibels, making it almost library-level quiet. No distractions while you're working. However, some users did mention that it can take a bit longer to heat up large, drafty spaces. But I'll be real with you. For a garage that's moderately insulated, this should work just fine. This heater is perfect for you if you want a safe, quiet option. Skip this one if your garage is massive or has poor insulation. It's a solid value for money considering the energy efficiency.
Product number 3, Dr. Infrared Heater DR968. Coming in at number 3 is the Dr. Infrared Heater DR968. This cherry-colored heater is priced at about $142.97, and its unique dual heating system had me intrigued. If you want serious heating power for larger garages, this one deserves your attention. The Dr. Infrared heater integrates an infrared quartz tube and a PTC heating element, providing up to 60% more heat than traditional electric heaters. This means it can effectively heat larger rooms, rated around 5,200 BTUs, making it perfect for more expansive garage spaces. It also features an electronic thermostat with a range from 50 to 85 degrees, giving you precise control over your environment. Plus, it's super quiet, at just 39 decibels, so it won't disrupt your focus. Now, one downside is that it's a bit bulkier than some of the other options, making it less portable. Some users have noted that it can be a challenge to move around. But if you're looking for a heater that stays put and does the job well, this is still a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you have a larger garage that needs a reliable heat source. Skip this one if you need something light and portable. It's a good value for the heating power you get. Now, if portability is a concern, the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 4, Drio Smart Wall Heater. Next up is the Drio Smart Wall Heater, which is priced at around $164.48. This heater caught my eye with its smart features and sleek design. If you want a modern solution with smart controls, keep listening. The Drio heater features a 120-degree vertical oscillation,
ensuring even heat distribution across the room. It's Wi-Fi enabled, meaning you can control it with your smartphone or even using your voice with Alexa or Google Home. That's super convenient if you want to adjust the temperature without leaving your workbench. It also has a precise temperature control ranging from 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring you can get it just right for your comfort. However, some users found the installation process a bit tricky, especially if they weren't used to mounting devices on walls. But honestly, once it's up, the convenience of smart controls makes it worth the effort. This heater is perfect for you if you want a high-tech solution that blends style with functionality. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with wall-mounted devices. The technology and efficiency are impressive for the price. Alright, if smart features aren't your thing, the last one on our list might be more your speed.
Product number 5, DR Infrared Heater, Portable Infrared Heater. Priced at approximately $142.38. This one really piqued my interest with its dual usage for both indoor and outdoor spaces. If you want something versatile, this is a great choice. This heater is IP55 approved, allowing it to be used in your garage or even outdoors, which is fantastic if you have a workshop that spills outside. It delivers clean, instant heat with 3 power settings: 900 watts, 1200 watts, and 1500 watts. This means you can customize the warmth to fit your activity level. Plus, with a high mirror aluminum reflector, it provides efficient heating without wasting energy. However, some users have mentioned that it doesn't come with a thermostat, which might be a drawback for those who prefer precise temperature control. But here's the thing, it's designed for instant warmth, making it great for quick tasks outside or in the garage. This is perfect for you if you want an outdoor-capable heater for those chilly days. Skip this one if you need a thermostat for precise temperature management. It's a solid pick for both versatility and efficiency. So to quickly recap, we've looked at the Lasco Tower Heater for speed and portability, the Drio Space Heater for quiet operation, the Dr. Infrared Heater for large spaces, the Drio Smart Wall Heater for modern convenience, and the DR Infrared Heater for outdoor versatility. Each has its unique strengths, so consider your specific needs when making a choice. Whatever option you go with, staying warm this winter is definitely achievable.